my hair, it is nowhere near what I was hoping to achieve. I put some special effects glue on this already, so it's kind of sticky. These are zippers that you can find in the sewing stuff at a craft store. Just taking some of the excess glue off with alcohol. Stuck on nicely. I didn't anticipate that this was gonna make it hard to express my emotions. Don't get special effects glue in your hair. Oh my gosh. I dated a girl who was really into metal music. One of the first times that she stayed at my house, I had one of the most vivid dreams that I've ever had. We were little kids and we were playing in the woods. It was her and I and this other little girl. I look like Edward Scissorhands. There was a huge plot point in the dream when we were playing that we had to include this other girl. I just had this feeling like she was lonely and she didn't want to be left out. I was like, let's include the kid, let's include the other kid. We were just having fun playing in the woods, you know, as kids do. I wake up and across the room from my bed, I had my keyboard, my piano, and the bench underneath it. And sitting on this bench was this girl. I was half sleeping, so I wasn't really conscious of it being anything strange, but I remember exactly what she looked like. I'm not sure the time period, but I was guessing the 60s. She was white, she was blonde, she had a bob cut, and she was wearing a plaid jumper. It was the most specific ghost I've ever seen, being able to see her whole outfit and her whole look. And the next day, once I remembered, I was like, hey, weird thing. Not sure if you believe in ghosts or whatever, but there was a little girl watching us sleep last night, and she got really quiet for a second, and then she told me that when she was a kid, her mom put her into therapy because she had gone into the woods, and when she came back out, she couldn't stop talking about her new friend. She said she had this new friend, this little girl that she met in the forest, and the little girl was telling her such disturbing stories about how her friend's brother had assaulted her, murdered her, and left her in the forest. And one day, my girlfriend's auntie was babysitting her one night and went in her room to check in on her while she was sleeping. And on the edge of her bed, watching her sleep, was a little girl with short, dirty blonde hair wearing plaid.